Monday morning. Wyatt's down for his nap. It's noon. It's really cold outside. I'm going to try to go for a quick run. About halfway into my run. Probably 1.75 miles, roughly. It's cold. I'm going to stretch, then head back. There goes those birds. There go those birds. Monday afternoon. Great run. Felt good. It was cold, but I wore a mask, so it was super sweaty. Felt great though. I'm headed to the post office right now to mail a Stella and Dot package for Angie. Then I have to stop at the only convenience store in Hinsdale, Crosby's, formerly Crosby's, I don't know what it's called now, to get some milk for Wyatt and my parents. Then I'm coming back here. It's just me and my ham sandwich. Across the street is where I went to high school. Actually, all school. That's a K through 12 school. I graduated with about 32 kids. Small town, small school, post office is across the street. Mom made homemade sauce and meatballs for dinner tonight. My favorite.